Master Chef Chris, and I'm cooking pepper steak, meatloaf, and Salisbury steak from scratch, and I'm forcing them to eat it.
Hey, this is so exciting to be in the kitchen with Master Chef Chris. Look at this. He's making rubber chicken from scratch and grilling onions. What is that technique you call for grilling those onions that you're doing there? Wow. and for the chicken, how are you doing this? Are you just boiling it or?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you gotta keep stirring it like that. Huh. So what happens if you just poke the chicken? How do you know when it's done? Is it gonna be soft or? It sounds like it's breathing. Wow! Oh, fresh ingredients only here with Master Chef Chris. Okay, hey, I'm gonna go back and sit down at my table there with Eva. We're gonna get ourselves a couple beverages, and we'll be waiting.
I don't even know who you are.
So excited. Co-host of the show. Okay, we'll be back.
When I cook from scratch, I always put in the garnish.
I am so excited to eat Master Chef's food.
I know. He said he just made it from scratch. He's been itching all day to make it. And oh my gosh, I think he's coming now. I think I see him coming from the kitchen.
Nice.
Oh, yum! Look at the fancy plate he's got. Fancy salt shakers and scrumptious. Wow.
That
You look like you put a lot of time and effort into this. You even put a garnish. So what is it? He's gonna tell us what
A
it is.
seasoned patty made with chicken, pork, and beef and pepper sauce over rice and grill marks added with a Sharpie.
What? Wow. So you went through all that? Huh.
that sounds good.
Seasoned
Except for the Sharpie.
pepper steak seasoned patty. So this is like a real. This is your take on pepper steak, I take it then, with
It's
whatever
one
that
thing.
stuff you said. Come on, Eva, let's dig in here.
Yes.
It looks like dog food. Ooh, Master Chef is very good at making dog food.
Let's get this. All right, ready?
Not the best.
Feelings.
Not the best, but
That was great.
yeah, it's very good.
Pepper steak, huh? Wow. With rice?
Yep.
So flavorful.
I love the sauce.
What's wrong?
Oh.
What do you mean?
All right. Well, cool. Let's try another of your creations. We'll be sitting here waiting breathlessly, and maybe literally breathlessly. So, yay. Good job, Master Chef.
Thank you so much. Where's the bathroom?
I'm gonna plate this up and garnish it. Like I always do. Okay. Ew. salt and pepper.
Wow, you better look. That first plate was incredible.
It was.
Yeah.
It was.
And I think I see him getting ready to come out of the kitchen with another offering.
What is
I
he
can't
stuffing in his pants?
wait. What? And here he comes.
Ooh,
He
look
looks
at that.
like he spent a lot of time and care on this one. Look how beautiful it is. What? Hey, all right. So,
You take the first bite.
what is? It's garnished again. That's great. Puts a lot of care into this. So, what is this plate right here, Mr.
This is
Chris?
gravy over meatloaf made with chicken, pork, beef, creamy mashed potatoes, cinnamon, apple dessert, and sweet corn.
Wow, that's a real mouthful.
And I added a special salt and pepper to it.
Oh, really? Some of your own from scratch?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh, from scratch.
How do you make it?
I don't even know how he does all that. I'm not gonna ask. He's the master chef, and well, meatloaf.
Oh, it doesn't go on my fork.
That's better than the pepper steak.
What is this on the
It
bottom?
looks the same. What is that?
It.
It's like a white layer or something. We don't want to insult the chef. What is that?
It looks weird.
It looks-
Oh,
it looks-
hey, it looks
buddy.
great.
All
I'm not
right.
eating that.
Let's try this. Have some too.
Why are you dipping it on the
Mmm.
Cold.
It's cold. Did you not check temperature, Chef?
Peppery.
Does it taste almost the
Should have
same?
been on the pepper steak.
Let's see.
If it burns my fingers, I don't know.
Those potatoes got a hint of apple in them. Must be something that he's doing.
I'm eating all this.
Wait, hold on. Let's see.
And we put on potatoes.
Those apples taste like the potatoes. Is that part of your secret? What you were doing?
Why don't you eat the garnish?
Okay.
Get another bite of this here.
I have apple and cilantro and corn in my mouth.
I'm gonna be honest, Chris. If I had a choice between this and your pepper steak, I might go for this one.
It's because of salt and pepper.
I think so. I think salt and pepper may have done it.
I think it added good flavor.
Yeah, I think that special seasoning here from scratch, you may have put this
What's your secret in salt and pepper from scratch?
meatloaf
Salt and pepper.
with pork and stuff over the top.
What?
What is that? You said you have another entree?
I didn't say
Oh my
anything.
gosh. Wow. Hey, we get to try one more.
I know.
Woo!
Man, that's gonna be.
Great. Oh man.
That's gonna be.
Yeah, it's great. Okay. Well, I guess you can go back to the kitchen and take this with you. And we can't wait to try the next offering.
I didn't say I was your waiter.
Yeah. Thank you, Master Chef Chris.
Okay.
Evil, come here, camera. I think I found his secret ingredient.
What is it? Oh. Oh, is that what he put?
I don't know, but
He's
it sure
looking
tastes
over
like
here.
it.
He's looking
Welcome
over
to
here.
Hey, Chris. Hey, it's all good, man. Yeah. Cooking with Chris. Food is here. All right.
Oh.
So, what do we have here?
A Salisbury steak with chicken, pork, and beef. Creamy mashed potatoes and sweet corn.
Ooh.
Wow. All right.
Well,
This
you
is a
didn't
Salisbury
illustrate
steak
anything.
I hope so.
with a garnish. Mmm. Looks gelatinous.
Looks cold.
Great. Hmm.
Did you cook this?
No.
That's cold. Oh!
We got cold beef.
Doug, this is homemade in scratch.
Is it better cold or
You
hot?
checked it.
No, it's cold. Actually, better warm.
Where's all the mashed potatoes?
Oh, great. I mean, yum.
It's
Yum.
yummy.
The corn?
Why is the corn hotter than everything?
The corn is the saving grace on this entire entree. So this here is your Salisbury steak.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I was talking to the camera person earlier. They said that I could make this whole meal for under $2.
Yeah.
Huh. Is there a secret? Okay then. So,
It's cold. It's like a brick cold. Take it off.
I'm gonna say something here. Oh, it's cold. This one tastes mysteriously just
Like trash.
the pepper steak.
Okay. That's not my problem.
The meatloaf. Out of all these, I would probably have to go with the meatloaf because it's got a little bit different flavor. And I think you did something special to that meatloaf. That's what you really wanted us to come for.
Well, you can make it yourself or you can keep paying me.
We can keep paying you. I mean, I wouldn't want to change chefs or do it myself because this seems complex. This seems
very complex.
crazy. What you did here with the garnish just really sets it off. Mmm. The cilantro. And the powdery mashed potatoes. And the
I
juice
said
box.
creamy, not powdery.
We got creamy potatoes. Mmm. Thanks, Chris.
That was creamy corn. Oh wait, no.
And thanks for sharing some homemade entrees with us.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate it. What do you say, Eva? All right. Well, thanks for joining us here today. And we might find another cook. Thanks to Master Chef for having us over today.
You're fired.
Fired from what?
Ah! Bye, guys.
Princess.
Princess.